What is Mycozil? After searching the world for the most effective natural ingredients, I'm proud to announce that Mycozil now has a new and improved formula. Mycozil is an all-natural formula developed specifically to support the natural cleansing of yeast and fungal organisms from your body. If you suffer from nail fungus, foot fungus, skin fungus, or harmful yeast overgrowth, then Mycozil was developed with you in mind. Made from organically certified and wild-crafted ingredients, the herbs in Mycozil are formulated for maximum effectiveness against fungus and yeast. So what are some of the symptoms of yeast and fungus? Well, when yeast or fungus grows out of control in your body, it could become a major problem. Things that can increase the growth of these harmful organisms include birth control pills, prescription antibiotics, a poor diet, excess sugar, alcohol, soft drink consumption, and more. Excessive yeast and fungus feed off of starches and sugars from the digestive tract. When these organisms go to the bathroom in your body, the waste that they produce can be extremely toxic. The symptoms they cause can be abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, depression, fatigue, headaches, indigestion, skin rashes, and nail fungus. Mycozil was designed to help control these symptoms by balancing the levels of yeast and fungus in the body. I highly recommend you use this product on a regular basis. To purchase Mycozil, go to globalhealingcenter.com.